there's so many people that do that. You either get them wrong, or my favorite is the amalgam.
No, stop, and right in front of a cop, too. Good job. And cut people off. And you're not going to pull them over for that shit, although I don't think that... Is that the right... Am I in the right county? I don't know. But, yeah. Dumb. Dumb, dumb, dumb.
What are you going to do? And what is he going to say, everybody? Is he going to say reviews, iTunes? Is he going to say Patreon?
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
It's a big seat. I just put on the scary face. So losers leave. It scares away all the losers.
No, stop.
Yeah. Comment in the chat if you're...
To our right, was the Gulf of Mexico, and then you end up on the beach. So it was just super cool. Like when we got to the...
No, turn on red. Are you doing it? It just turned green. Oh, well.
Packs, and I was like, you could buy material, because at that time we used to sell the material, or Z-Packs. It wasn't weed.
Nice cut off.
Z-Packs used to sell the material.
Yeah. It's terrorism. Mm-hmm. It is absolutely terrorism to be
Real. Yeah, you're blocking the street. Wait, what the? Whoa! Alright, that lady pulled in behind me and pulled a U-turn on the on-ramp and goes out going the wrong way. Whoa! I wish I had a rear camera in this van. I wish there were windows facing out back, but there's not. What?
Family friendly. Yeah, and they're also, if you don't have...
Exit dive from Florida. And that is a common sight if you're in Florida, too.
You don't have time. So government now works for the corporate...
You fucking litter.
Like 19...
I'm seeing that more and more lately. People are assholes. Fuck you.
I'll clip, evil person's wings. Very quickly. I'll give them wings and then clip them so they feel...
Red light run, red light run, red light run. You can go now. Come on. Let's go. We got places to be. Come on.
And here's my thing. Why I again will continue to go in on the freaking
red light run, red light run, red light run.
That people aren't even necessarily aware of. The institution.
They're very aware.
Some people
very
aware.
Right turn, regret.
That completely. Because if you ask any white person in America if they would like to be a 6-foot tall city, they will say no.
Oh yeah, well yeah, exactly. They know.
Actually,
left turn lane dive.
People, if they would like to be brunette when they're blonde, they will say no.
Everyone says, Lord, I am scared of Peter because he hates our race.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
That are accredited professionals in that field that tell you these things. You can't just look up leaky brain and be like, oh yeah.
You got a leaky brain.
Maybe I would do that. And then
no, stop.
Complaints that we have when fundamentalist Christians get into power.
Yeah, I saw it coming, and oh boy, no, red light run, red light run, red light run, and frickin', I don't know if that was whatever.
And the cuckooist things. Especially as it regards Donald Trump.
No, stop, Toyo turd. You didn't stop either. He kind of, sort of didn't stop again.
No. No. She has no clue what looking dumb even looks like. No.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. Man, I'm getting a lot of Amsterdam this time. Usually nothing happens here. Stop it!
Very generic, but at least we had it. And there was a charm to that. Because we're like, nah, we...
I don't think you're authorized to make U-turns. Western Express.
Oh man, I think that
I don't think you can turn left. Or maybe you can. Because I know in that direction you can. I can't tell. Back up of shame. Back up even more. Come on, I got a big ass van here. Nissan drivers.
That's actually a topic that a friend of mine, Pesach Eisen, who's a psychologist, and he grew up.
Whoa, jeez.
Communication, preaching at me. Oh yeah, and have a happy birthday.
Great, now you're gonna sit in the way. Back up! Back up! There you go. Good job. Sam, these Nissan drivers are very dense sometimes.
Like, oh my god, like I'm gonna fix this and...
No, stop! No, stop, Toyo turd!
Unfortunately, it turned into a bit of a confrontation about our mother's behavior and how it was not normal to get rid of a microwave because waves were harmful, because she just heard. I tried to make him understand that her beliefs against waves and GMOs and
wait,
where
are you going?
I tried to make him understand that it was not rational and it made no sense.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. What an asshole! Why did you have to let her? Fuck you!
Do you watch The Boys, Mary?
I do watch The Boys.
Do you know the actor who plays Homelander?
Wait, where are you going? Where are you going? You were in the left lane, now you turn down there for some reason.
it was a little smaller than the state of New Jersey. So it's actually...
why aren't you on the sidewalk? That's what it's there for.
And it's going along smoothly, and next thing you know, what is Billy doing? Oh no, it's Roger. Roger Flynn. One of the
I'm going to count that as an exit dive.
Was when the Letterman
if he was going for westbound, I wouldn't have.
Answered some of those tougher questions about their gear, and I think he did a great job. I think it's going to give you
no stop. Malibu Barbie.
Yeah, they had to, like, these documents were so unbelievable. This is like...
No, stop, Screwbaroo. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But we are not in Connecticut, and that would be illegal in Connecticut and in Massachusetts. I don't know how else it's illegal at. Well, you got it. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do all that stuff. I love you all. Subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you in the next video that I want to come out with. Okay, bye!